Hey Taurians, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to do a pick a card for you and this pick a card is for the people who are in a relationship right now. They're expecting their lovers to come back to them, or there is a reunion which is there on the cards or no. So this reading, this pick a card is dedicated to people who are looking for a refreshment, reunion, comeback of their partners in their life, and how the life is going to be, how the relationship is right now for you guys. So let's quickly see that, Torrance. Um, if we look at the first pile, this is the pile one I'm reading for you. We have a pile two here, and then we have a pile three, obviously, the way we do it for other signs also. We're reading pile one right now, and let's see what is there in store for you guys. Pile one. Okay, pile one is very emotional relationship. You guys are very focused on your relationship. Focus is completely on this cup, which is full of emotions, full of love, full of dedication towards your partner. So this relationship is talking about a lot of focus on a relationship part for you guys. Okay, emotions are the center for your life, like that's a center of attraction right now for you in your life, if I look at that. And if I go further in your reading about you, I think you are very so there are two things which are happening here in this first pile. The very first thing is that you are tired of your existing relationship. Tired would say that you've been looking at areas where you think that, oh, I've gone through a lot in this relationship. There have been a lot of abuse in this relationship. There are so many challenges. You were not able to cope with each other. You were not able to, you were not compatible. You were not feeling compatible with your partner. Oh, you've got come, across a long way here. Oh, you had such a long life, such a difficult life. So you are actually busy counting the difficulties you've been facing or you've faced in your relationship till now. This is for people who are in pile one. So when I picked up the first card for you, which talked about the Queen of Cups here, and who was completely focused on the cup which was there in her hand. So your relationship is your focus right now in your life. You have different areas in life, like your career, your education, you have studies, you have emotional life, romantic life, marriage life. Right now, emotions are your center of focus. Okay, so you're focusing on relationships right now, you're focusing on love right now, emotions right now. Okay, and there, what you are focusing on, you're focusing on the challenges you've had till now. You're focusing on the difficulties you faced in this relationship. How many challenges, how many obstacles you have come across till now. And oh God, this person thinks it's not going anywhere, it is not getting over at all. He's tired, he looks tired because the problems are not getting away still. It is not going anywhere. They are still there, they keep on coming. Now what happens here is that suddenly around, on in these challenging times, there's something fresh which is coming your way, and you are trying to take an advantage of it. You are feeling a little flirtatious right now towards this new person who has suddenly come into your life, and you feel like regenerated, you feel like energized, you feel like fresh. And this is why, your emotions are very uh, so suddenly you feel like your problems are over, or you're getting some break from your regular relationship. So this is why is this happening, and the person you are attracted towards, this person is very aggressive, but very intellectual at the same time. He doesn't like talking on the emotional line. So for him, practicality is more important in a relationship rather than emotion. So think through it, because maybe you're at getting attracted towards this new person just to get some change in your life. However, your compatibilities will not match because you are too emotional. Maybe I'm talking about people here who are water signs, who are earth sign. Okay, maybe a Capricorn, a Scorpion. Okay, and that kind of a you yourself is a very very stable sign, stubborn sign, but then you're emotional too, but then maybe you are actually dealing with either a an Aquarian, Gemini, Sagittarius. You're either dealing with a Leo. This kind of a stubborn energy you're talking to, and they talk clear. Even if it is the dirtiest of things, they will say it on your face, which you will not like. So you want to take a break, do something else rather than scouting in the market for new affairs or new challenges, guys. It is not worth it for sure. I don't think it is. It is not. It is going to work. So this first thing talks about lingering on to your current relationship, but then along with that, you're trying to scout in market for new options and better options. So that's a very bad approach, I would say. So try to work out your relationship. Try to see the flaws which are there in your relationship. Now, what happens in such scenarios that you're already stuck in this kind of situation. You invite another one for yourself, and then you are sailing in two boats altogether, and then even if the one boat dooms down, sinks down, you sink with that. You will sink with that. So be careful what you're getting into, guys. Pile one people, Taurians. This is for you. Okay, three kind of Taurians we're going to read today. Three kind of relationships we're going to read today, because now we're moving to the pile two. But before we do that, I would like to pull a card for you guys, people who belong to pile one, that what is the message universe is giving you, and you should follow that. Universe is telling you, if they once loved you, they still do. So see, uh, I always tell you that these cards are actually consultants who talk to each other and then they give you a message. Remember, I had given you a glimpse of this card, which talked about a lot of challenges in the current relationship, and you've been thinking life is not smooth, life is not good, kind of thing. And then suddenly this card comes up and it says, if they once loved you, if they once loved you along with all these challenges, they still love you. You just have to put that spark in the relationship. You will have to find the spark in the relationship. Okay, so fall in love again, guys, with the same person rather than scouting with someone who will not even understand you well, or maybe you will get into some physical pleasure kind of a thing, and then that will not work out later. Right? Take care. This was pile one for a few, and this was the message which came for pile one. Let's go ahead over to pile two and see what is there in store for people who had chosen pile two for themselves. Okay, pile two. Oh, this relationship is actually at a breakup mode right now. So the phase is already over. One phase of your relationship is already over, which is very disappointing, because the relationship was something wherein two people of same temper came together, and then now the conflict started happening because same thing, same approach towards everything was something which became a problem here. Okay, variation is very important in relationship. If a person is different than you in a lot of things, in a lot of way, then take it in a manner that it's going to work out for you really well. But then because same kind of a tempo did not work out here in your relationship, and this is why one, you both were outgoing, you both wanted to go out, you both wanted to have a cool life, and then creativity, career, passion, everything was exactly the same. And maybe in that same thing you got bored, that I want something different, I want something different to happen in life. I'm bored with my life the way it is happening. Okay, so that's something which happened in this relationship, and you have already decided we don't want to be together. And with that thought, with that kind of thought process, right now you both are in a mode of thinking and analyzing that, should we be together, should we not be together, should we leave each other, should we move on. So you are holding on right now on your emotions, on your your relationship. You're not even thinking clearly here when it comes to you. uh, and you don't want to share with each other. You are not in sharing mode. You want to hide everything close to your heart. You don't even want to take one step ahead in this relationship. You are holding back your horses. You don't want to share anything with anyone, and that's something uh, which is actually holding this relationship right now. But I don't know why is that happening with you. Okay, so I think money disputes are also there. You both do not agree on the financial aspects also. So the finances are something which are challenging here. You wanted to have a good life, a family and all, but then I think there are conflicts here, and the conflicts are because of the same kind of a nature you both have. You both are holding back. You both are in that hold back thinking, analyzing state of mind, which is not going well you with you guys. uh, that's something which is bothering me also. Why are you not holding back? Oh my god. Okay, so I think what happened in this relationship, there was a third party involvement in this relationship, and when the third party happened, you both were involved, maybe your partner, and there was a third party involved. Now you all three of you are actually have started and decided to take a step back, and decided to step back. You all three of you are actually in a thinking mode right now, analyzation mode right now, as I said earlier in the card, what I could see. But now the recovery is happening, and since the recovery is happening, all three of you are thinking that what should be the next step. So this relationship is at a very critical stage right now, with third party involvement, with the recovery happening, with a lot of thinking happening. You want to stay with your partner, or you want to get ahead with that third person who had come into the relationship. So Taurians, what are you up to? What are you up to? I'm very concerned about your relationship right now. This pile is very critical because the first one was uh, very clear. It told you to give a chance to yourself and to your partner, and then find love in your current relationship. But the second one is, uh, all three of you are confused, that you don't know which one is the right relationship right now. All three of you are in a problematic scenario right now. And let's take the message from the love relationship perspective also. It says, don't be misled. I think one of the partner is trying to mislead the other one. Okay. Also, whenever you take a decision in a scenario where you're scared, when you are scared of maybe getting exposed to people, or you're scared of losing one person, you're scared of being alone, you're scared of taking a decision because that might impact someone else for whom you care. So whenever a decision is taken because of fear, it doesn't work well, because fear makes you take the wrong kind of decision in a lot of scenarios. Okay, so I will only tell you that don't be misled by other facts which are presented by the other person to mislead you, to create illusions in your mind. Use your brains, all three of you use your brains, and then take a decision, because one person here is trying to mislead the other one, and that is why two people here, they have a lot more blood in their heart and their head, rather than this one person. So the recovery is happening. Recovery is certainly happening for you, but you need to look at the aspect that one person is trying to be a trickster here in this relationship. So here is the pile two. This is a very, I will just say that just take care of yourself, pile two people. Okay. Pile three, let's see what is there in store for you people, and let's quickly see that. Oh my god, the confusion is here in this relationship. Stagnancy is here, and you're very feeling stagnant, you're feeling like punished, someone is punishing you in this relationship. But I will say good part, because this all misery, sufferings, these are all created by you only. This is your self-made illusion and misery what you have created. So there are no problems around. But then you yourself have made problems for yourself. See, whenever you want, whenever you feel like you can just, get out of these bandages which are there on your eyes and your body, but then you don't want to, because you're confused. That confused state of mind is not letting you take the right kind of a decision right now, Torian. So this is why it is very, very disappointing here. Let's see what is happening further in this pie. What is happening in this relationship further? Okay, all right. Okay. Looks like this relationship is very, very money centric relationship. Finances are ruling your relationship. You're having troubles because of finances. Maybe you want to get along together, you want to be together with yourself, but because of the financial crisis, because of the money making ideas which are there in your mind, because you want to be financially stable, you don't want to go ahead in this relationship. So you have put your relationship on a hold or maybe a pause right now, so that you can move ahead in the relationship with the right kind of a financial status. Finances are ruling this pile. Finance is a very major criteria here in this relationship. You both either money minded or money minded right now, or money is your focus. In fact, for some of you are trying to get a job somewhere. Maybe you're trying to get away from the place also where you are, so that you make better money. But money is what which is there in this relationship. What are you doing? Don't. And okay, because of your money making attitude, Torrance, because of your partner's money making attitudes, you know here, you will lose the love. You're losing love which came to your life suddenly. You have done that already. Don't do that. Money is not everything. And then what? Why do you earn? What is the reason that you make so much of money? Because you have a good life. But then when the life is actually slipping out of your hands, slipping out of your life, what will you do with the money? What will you do with the money? Tell me. You're too much money focused right now. Money is impacting your relationship. Maybe you're being very, very harsh also in this relationship with your partner, because for you, you think that if you have money you have everything, but then you will lose everything because you're running after money. So it is a reverse thing happening with you. Take care of yourself. Don't be so harsh on yourself. Don't be so harsh on the people who love you, because you're punishing them. You're actually punishing them. They feel punished being around you. So get back to love and get back to life. That's what I can tell you. And the relationship card here tells you that you glow, we love. It says, in case anyone should ask, your heart isn't so large because of your wings. It's your wings that are so large because of your heart. Sometimes loving so much can be pretty heavy. Thanks for all you've loved or you've shared. Um, there's a very deep message here, and the smile I had on my face was for a reason. What your mind tells you and what your heart tells you, they're two different things they're telling you. Okay, you think that if you will earn money, you will earn a lot of money. Okay, you will have wings with which you will fly all over the world, all over the city, all over the entire universe. You have everything with you. Okay, but your heart tells you that if you have a good heart, that's when only you will have a wing, or maybe you can win the entire world. So you have to choose between two things. Either you have money, and with that money you buy love, or love people, and by being loved by those people, you earn the right kind of value, the right kind of treasure in your life. So choice is yours. How do you want to take it ahead? It's such a pretty message for you. I think loving is something which is very important. And one more thing which came in this card for you was that you were heartbroken once, some time back, maybe recently, last year, last to last year. That was the last love of yours, which made you realize, or maybe which made you believe, not realize, it's believe that if you have money, you have everything. But it's not the case. Okay, not every person is the same. So you need to think about it again. Think about it again. Okay, nicely and wisely, and then take your decision in this relationship, because you're losing your life, you're losing your relationship right now. And I will only suggest you to be loved and love people around you for a better life. Okay, not for better money, right? Take care. Goodbye. Be at home. Be safe. Be safe from COVID 19. Let's fight together with this pandemic. And then we can do that by being at home. Connect with me for your personalized reading at 8448901791. And you can also email me with at blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Also, you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. Okay, take care, goodbye, thank you, and God bless you.